Okay, folks. I want to talk about Twitter. I'm having a problem with Twitter. Okay, I feel that if our U.S. government gives money to Twitter, a private company gives them the ability not to be sued by people who post up on there, not to be sued by all the child predators and child pornography that's on there. They should have no legal right to kick me off for comparing the Democrats to the Nazi Party just because the Nazi Party killed 7 million Jews and the Democrat is already up to 50 million black people. I think that the new Nazi Party is a lot worse than the old Nazi Party. They say they're protecting Jews, but if you hear them, they're against the Jewish people. They're really against the black people too, and people just don't realize it. A couple of people do. I've noticed legal immigrants who bother to read over information about the past of the country understand that the Democrat Party is a party of slavery, understand that we did not win World War II, understand we spent millions of dollars looking for Hitler after they told us he was dead. You understand that Russia told us that was not Hitler when we give them the skulls to look over. That's why the Democrat Party did not like Russia. If they can get America and Russia to fight, it makes it a lot easier for them to take over. Okay, the flat earth is wrong. There's more proof that the world is round and hollow. The flat earth was a trick just to make you and God look dumb because they did not give you all of the information that the Bible is supposed to have. It is in the Vatican still. That's why we need to issue a government cell phone that has access to all of the information the government has. The government knows more than they're willing to share with the public, and you're relying on the news, and the news will not give you the information, but a copy of yourself will go ahead and share the information so that they can go and make sure they use the sacred, I can't say a word, sacred method. Scientific method so they don't violate any of the national security, like they don't release classified information to you, but their copies of you are on the computer. They can make sure that everything is okay. You can read over all of the paperwork beforehand, before they sign anything like the Paris Climate Accord, then you can realize how they're just trying to milk the U.S. population out of money, even though most of the pollution comes from China. America has done more to combat climate change than any other country. The only thing we could do more is if we go ahead and fire off all of our nuclear weapons at the sun and see what happens. But there's no way to stop global warming. It's a natural thing. No matter what, the planet is going to get hotter as long as the sun gets brighter. Until the sun gets cooler, we're going to be going through global warming. But it is not man-made. If you want to totally help with that, we need to make fast-growing marijuana. We already can do genetic modified stuff. So why don't we genetically modify marijuana to make it not get you high, but make it grow like crazy and just release it so it grows everywhere? If we made it legal and just release the seeds everywhere, so they start growing around in the vacant lots in Pennsylvania and other places, all of the abandoned lots. They used to have car dealerships, but now they can have giant areas that can grow oxygen. That is a guaranteed way to clear out the air. Plants go ahead and filter out the air. The hemp is more useful than anything else. So why are we not making a fast-growing hemp plant? We should be doing that. You want to get rid of global warming? We need to plant more trees. We're cutting down trees. We're starting fires. Fires are killing more animals and more wilderness than needs to be done. If we grow hemp, we will not need to cut down trees. We can make 3D printed hemp 3D printed hemp houses. Think about it. Imagine once we start growing a ridiculous amount of hemp, that would be a lot cheaper to make a 3D printed house out of hemp cement and hemp plaster Paris and all the basic stuff to make the house. Thank you.